Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best salad spinner is OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. OXO is a widely recognized and trusted brand for durable, intuitive, and efficient kitchen tools. This salad spinner is no exception. With this model you can easily prep, wash, and dry a large amount of lettuce, strawberries, bulky root vegetables, canned beans, and so much more. At 4.95 quart capacity, the basket was able to handle enough food for a family meal when put it through washing and spinning a large head of romaine lettuce, a pint of blueberries, a quart of strawberries, and finally 1 pound of cooked pasta. Standout features include the patented plunger, which is incredibly easy to operate even one-handed. Clear, flat lid allows for convenient stacking when not in use, disassembles for easy cleaning, and parts are top rack dishwasher safe and BPA free. Number 2 in our side is Farberware Salad Spinner. With 5.5 quarts of capacity in the basket and an almost 7-quart bowl, you can easily wash and dry multiple heads of lettuce. This spinner washed and spun 2 large heads of romaine lettuce and observed there was still space in the bowl for more. Meal prep for weekly lunches is made easy with the Farberware Professional Salad Spinner. It can also be used as a colander for other kitchen tasks, such as draining pasta or washing bulky vegetables. This lettuce spinner is more than just a device for quickly rinsing and drying produce. Use the basket separately as a colander, and the clear plastic bowl can be used as a large salad bowl or mixing bowl. The clear bowl features a soft, non-slip base to secure the salad spinner while in use, with the added bonus of protecting your countertops from getting scratched. For details, let's watch more. Third in our best salad spinner list is Joint Salad Spinner. This salad spinner improved design that all parts are separated for easy use and cleaning. You can use the clear base as a serving bowl or salad mixer and the basket as a convenient colander or vegetable washing basket. That's more space in your cupboards and fewer dishes to wash. Turn chore into pleasure and make your salads tastier. Forget washing gem lettuce by hand, drying chopped salad with tons of paper towels, spraying water all around the kitchen, and bland, watery salads. This easy rotary handle makes spinning effortless, so you can enjoy the convenience of a quick, mess-free, and tasty salad. 3-in-1 multifunctional kitchen gadget. All parts are separated for easy use and cleaning. You can use the clear base as a serving bowl or salad mixer and the basket as a convenient colander or vegetable washing basket. You can wash and dry greens, fruits, and vegetables without removing the lid. You can even use it to spin out any remaining water from pasta, so your sauces stick better, or to remove excess oil from French fries. It's one of the most useful gadgets in any kitchen. Our fourth pick is Prepwork Salad Spinner. The patented design of this innovative collapsible salad spinner is a customer favorite. Both the internal basket and external bowl collapses to almost half the expanded size for storage. The non-skid base makes spinning stable and easy. You can spin your salad then serve in the outer 3.3-liter bowl. This item is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Road trips, camping, barbecues, and dorm life just got easier with the progressive collapsible salad spinner. If you need something that won't break but can handle washing and drying smaller batches of lettuce, this 3-quart model with a silicone construction and collapsible design is a wonderful option. In testing, and found it actually reduces to just 3 inches when fully collapsed. Storage could not be more convenient. The lid utilizes a large knob that operates the spinner in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, and it stops on the spot via the built-in brake. It left less space for openings to allow water to escape while spinning. It's safe to put this in the dishwasher on the top rack, making for no-fuss cleanup. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is KiteXpert Salad Spinner. The KiteXpert Salad Spinner is made of BPA-free material, non-toxic, safe, and reliable for food prep. The transparent bowl bottom has a whole circle of the non-slip pad, which is more stable than the point design. Salad spinner's small weight can be placed smoothly on the table, is not easy to slide, and can be better controlled and operated. Ease your hands during use. That crank handle design can be 360 degrees smooth operation, whether used to clockwise or counterclockwise rotation can be satisfied, easy rotation, saving both time and labor. Quick dry, keeping the vegetable fresh and crisp. The large salad spinner has a capacity of 5.28 quarts, which is enough to accommodate 4 to 6 vegetable salad servings for your whole family. KiteXpert Lettuce Spinner is designed with detailed instructions and attractive packaging, which are ideal for your family and friends as gifts. The durable material can withstand high-speed rotation. Support quality assurance.